This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tammy Onisic, SRS, Renee. Come and see this beautiful 1.06 acre rustic cabin home. Make it your permanent residence or an investment property. Conveniently located to many attractions to Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and Gatlinburg. This home offers an oversized front deck, which overlooks beautiful grassland and countryside. Nestle into a generous-sized master bedroom on the main quarters. Cozy up to a wood-burning fireplace and a large sunroom with vaulted ceilings which overlooks the fenced-in backyard. Hot tub, window treatments, playset in backyard, front porch swing and picnic table and shed do convey. Professional photos coming soon. For more information, review the details.